welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the flat tire or a TPMS indicator of a Mercedes E-Class. This one is an old one. This is a 2004 or 5 model. And when we drive the car, there is an indicator showing up here that says that the tires needs to be checked for the right pressure, and the indicator needs to be restarted. And I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to get rid of that. First of all, turn or press the ignition onto the second position. All the lights must go on. Then of course you have to have the all to 4 tires to the right pressure. Then we're going to use this side of the steering wheel to find this area, the mileage or your speed, and then we're gonna scroll down to find this one, run flat tire indicator menu. Then we need to press the R button as it's shown over there. Press this once. Once you have done that, it asks us to restart the run flat indicator. Then we can change the menu to yes by pressing the plus button over here. Once you have done that, just leave it for a few seconds, and then you'll see that this pops up: run flat indicator restarted. Then the indicator, when we start the car, must not show up anymore. Like this. Normally it pops up and says that there is a flat tire, or the indicator needs to be restarted. And that's on how to restart a flat tire indicator of a Mercedes E-Class 2004 model. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.